Have you ever wondered why some people with small incomes manage to save so much, while others with big salaries always feel broke? It's not about how much you earn. It's about how you treat your money. The truth is, saving is not something that just happens. It is a habit, a daily choice, a small action repeated again and again. And once you learn how to build this habit, it can change your life forever. Imagine this. What if one small change could give you peace of mind, more freedom, and a better future? What if saving money could become so easy that it feels natural, like brushing your teeth? Most people think they need to wait until they have more money to start saving. They say, "I'll save when I get a better job," or "I'll save after this month's expenses." But that moment never comes. The habit never begins. So they keep working hard, keep earning, but the money keeps disappearing. That's the problem many of us face. We want to save, but we don't know how to start. We feel like saving is painful, like it means we have to stop living. But that's not true. You don't have to stop living. You just need to start choosing better. Let me tell you a story. There was a man who earned very little. He could barely pay rent and buy food. But every time he earned money, he saved just 5 rupees. Only 5. It seemed useless at first. But he kept doing it. Every week, every month, without fail. Over time, he increased it to 10 rupees, then 20. After 1 year, he had saved enough to handle emergencies. After 2 years, he had enough to start a small business. That one small habit, saving even when it felt hard, changed his entire life. So how do you build a savings habit? First, start small, very small, even 1 rupee a day. The amount does not matter. What matters is the action. When you start saving daily, your brain begins to see it as normal. You begin to feel proud. That small win pushes you to do more. Second, treat saving like a bill. When you get money, pay yourself first. Don't wait to see what is left. Take out your savings before you spend. Even if it's just a little, make it your rule. Third, make it automatic. If you have a bank, set up auto transfer to your savings account. If not, use a small box at home. Label it future or dreams. Keep it where you can see it every day. Fourth, track your spending. Write down where your money goes. You will be shocked to see how much goes to things that don't matter. When you see the truth, you take control. You can't fix what you don't see. Fifth, set a clear goal. Saving just for the sake of saving can feel boring. But saving for something meaningful gives you power. Maybe you want to buy a bike, or help your parents, or travel, or just feel safe. Whatever it is, write it down. Look at it daily. Let it remind you why you started. Sixth, reward yourself. Saving should not feel like punishment. If you complete a month of saving, treat yourself. Not with money, but with joy. Take a walk. Talk to someone you love. Celebrate progress. It builds motivation. Seventh, stay away from temptations. Don't go to shops when you're bored. Don't follow accounts that make you want to buy things you don't need. Build an environment where saving is easier. Surround yourself with people who are also trying to grow. Habits take time. You may forget one day. You may feel tired. It's okay. Don't give up. Come back. Start again. Every day is a new chance. Remember, slow growth is still growth. Don't compare your journey to others. You are walking your own path. Saving is a sign of strength. It means you are planning for your future. You are protecting your dreams. You are saying to yourself, I matter. My future matters. It's not about the amount. It's about the message. Every time you save, you send a message to your brain that you are in control. that you are not just spending for today, but building for tomorrow. That makes you powerful. That makes you free. Even when life feels hard, your savings can give you peace. It's a soft pillow that helps you sleep better at night. It's the reason you won't panic when something breaks or goes wrong. It gives you options. It gives you dignity. It gives you hope. And here's something important. Teach your children, your friends, your family. Show them how to save. Show them it is possible. When one person learns, the whole family changes. You become a light in the dark. You become the one who breaks the chain of stress and struggle. You become the one who brings peace. Let your habit become your legacy. Let your small steps become a story others can follow. One strong life lesson is this: if you cannot save when you have little, you will not save when you have more. And the moral is, saving is not about money. It is about mindset. If you change how you think, you change how you live. So if this touched your heart, if this made you think, then take one small action right now, like this video. Share your saving goal in the comments, and subscribe to How to Grow, because we are not just teaching tips, we are building a better life together. Every video, every story, every moment here is for you, to help you rise, to help you save, to help you grow. Let's walk this path together, one small habit at a time. Let's build the future we dream of, starting today, only on How to Grow.